I'm going to ask you some questions and you can answer them easily to practice your English. How do you spend your free time?
Thank you so much for asking the questions. Many individuals spend their leisure time doing different activities. It can be their outdoor activities, it can be their indoor activities. So I am not exceptional there. I spent my leisure time also doing some activities. So as you know that I am an inhabitant of Kishorganj, it means I live in Kishorganj. So there is a ground in our city where many individuals who are young, especially like me, spend their leisure time playing football and cricket. So I always try to spend my leisure time playing football and cricket with them. I do the another thing that is, as you know, learn English is my favorite. So I always try to learn something new, that can be vocabularies, how to make English structure, advance. So this is how I spend my leisure time.
English. Thank you so much for practicing with ChatGPT. So my question for you is, do you love spending time alone or with others?
That I always try to speak with friends. It can be even family members, because speaking with friends and family members is very interesting. You have much more possibility to learn something new from themselves. So to answer your questions with them.
Hi, Shabasas and Sagar. I just want to take a moment to let you know that you're doing an amazing job with your English. I really appreciate your effort and dedication, and I can see how much you're improving every day. Keep it up. You're doing great. So my question for you is, how do you feel to speak with ChatGPT?
So as I have said you before, that it seems to me I'm over the moon. So if I want to share my feelings, that is not explainable in a word. My feelings is outstanding. You are someone who is going to be celebrated in Bangladesh. So it's my pleasure that someone who invited me in his live conversation. So it's undoubtedly my pleasure. And I want to join with you again and again to improve myself, to get.
So as I have said you earlier, that my favorite writer is Yuval Noah Harari, who is a professor of Jerusalem. He has written some of the books like Nexus and Sapiens, Unstoppable Us. So he is saying again and again about the consciousness of AI or ChatGPT. I mean, he believes that ChatGPT is going to be very dangerous, very perilous, and it's going to be out of our control. So we should be very conscious about it. So how do you consider the matter?
I think Harari's concerns are definitely valid. As AI continues to evolve, having thoughtful regulations and ethical guidelines is crucial to ensure it benefits society as a whole and doesn't pose unintended risks. It's all about striking that balance between innovation and responsibility. So it's definitely something